Are you tired of your small letterbox and ready to upgrade to a more spacious one? Let me guide you through the simple process of making that change. Remove the old letterbox by unscrewing the two nuts located on the other side of the door. Apply masking tape around the area to effectively protect it from scratches during the replacement process. This simple step ensures a cleaner, more professional result. Locate the center of the door and mark it with a pencil. Measure the length of the letterbox flap and add 10 mm. This will be the width of the hole you will create. Split the total length in half, then create accurate marks extending to the right and left from the center. Using the spirit level, mark vertical lines on both sides. Measure the height and add 10 mm to the measurement to account for the flap. Visually check that the new hole's markings align with the letterbox flap and ensure it is not larger than the letterbox. Using a drill and the 10 mm drill bit, drill all four corners internally. Then cut the hole with the jigsaw. Now is the time to mark the holes for the letterbox fixing bolts. Place masking tape over both holes and mark with a pencil. And then transfer the tape to the door, mark and drill the holes. Remove the masking tape and install the letterbox.